Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. If you're tired of feeling sluggish, if you want to boost your energy, improve your mood, and honestly just live a longer, healthier, happier life, then you are in the absolutely right place. Today, we're diving into something truly life-changing: 10 incredibly effective fitness exercises that doctors themselves recommend. These aren't just trendy workouts. These are proven movements that can transform your health from the inside out, often without needing a gym or fancy equipment. So, if you're ready to unlock a stronger, more vibrant you, make sure you smash that like button. Subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell so you don't miss out on more awesome content like this. Let's get started. Alright, let's kick things off with our doctor-recommended exercise number 10. And it's one you might already be doing, but perhaps not with the intention of its full health benefits. Brisk walking. Yep, good old walking. It might sound simple, but doctors consistently recommend it for a reason. Walking is a fantastic cardiovascular exercise that's low impact, meaning it's gentle on your joints. It improves heart health, lowers blood pressure, can help manage weight, and even boosts your mood. Think about it. A brisk walk, where you can still talk, but maybe not sing, gets your heart pumping without putting undue stress on your body. Aim for at least 30 minutes most days of the week. You don't need special gear, just a good pair of shoes and a desire to move. It's accessible to almost everyone, making it a stellar starting point for your fitness journey. Moving on to our 9th exercise, which is another powerhouse for overall health: swimming. Oh, how doctors love recommending swimming. Why? Because it's a full-body workout that's incredibly packed. The buoyancy of the water supports your body, making it ideal for people with joint pain, arthritis, or those recovering from injuries. Swimming works nearly every major muscle group, from your arms and shoulders to your core and legs, all while providing an amazing cardiovascular boost. It strengthens your heart and lungs, improves flexibility, and can be incredibly relaxing, reducing stress. Whether you're doing laps in a pool or just enjoying a gentle float, swimming is a fantastic way to stay active and feel great. Next up, our 8th recommendation, and one that often gets overlooked but is crucial for a strong, healthy body: strength training. Now, don't let the name intimidate you. Strength training isn't just about lifting heavy weights in a gym. It involves exercises that build muscle and bone density, which is incredibly important as we age. Doctors emphasize this because strong muscles protect your joints, improve balance, reduce the risk of falls, and even boost your metabolism. You can use bodyweight exercises like squats, lunges, and push-ups, or incorporate light dumbbells, resistance bands, or even household items. 2 to 3 sessions a week, targeting major muscle groups, can make a huge difference in your strength and overall functional health. For our 7th exercise, let's talk about something that focuses on flexibility and core strength: yoga. Yoga is far more than just stretching. It's a mind-body practice that combines physical postures, breathing techniques, and meditation or relaxation. Doctors recommend yoga for its ability to improve flexibility, balance, and strength, particularly core strength, which is vital for preventing back pain. It also excels at reducing stress, improving sleep quality, and enhancing overall mental well-being. There are many different styles of yoga, so you can find one that suits your fitness level and preferences, whether you're looking for something gentle or more vigorous. It's an amazing way to connect with your body and calm your mind. Coming in at number 6, we have an exercise that's fantastic for cardiovascular health and endurance: cycling. Whether you prefer an outdoor bike ride or an indoor stationary bike, cycling is a brilliant way to get your heart rate up. It's a lower-impact alternative to running, making it easier on your knees and ankles while still providing an excellent cardio workout. Cycling strengthens your legs, glutes, and core, improves lung capacity, and can be a wonderful way to explore your surroundings or simply unwind. Plus, it's often more fun when you can get out and enjoy some fresh air. So, pump up those tires and get pedaling for better health. Our 5th doctor-approved exercise focuses on foundational strength and stability: plank. The plank is a simple yet incredibly effective isometric exercise that strengthens your entire core, your abdominal muscles, back muscles, and even your shoulders and glutes. A strong core is fundamental for good posture, preventing back pain, and improving performance in almost every other physical activity. It might look easy, but holding a proper plank for even 30 seconds can be a challenge. Start with shorter durations, and gradually increase as your strength improves. Remember to keep your body in a straight line from head to heels, engaging your core throughout. This one is a game changer for core stability. Next up, at number 4, we have another fantastic bodyweight exercise that's accessible to almost everyone: squats. Squats are often called the king of exercises for a reason. They work multiple major muscle groups simultaneously: your glutes, hamstrings, quadriceps, and core. Doctors love squats because they build lower body strength, improve mobility in the hips and knees, and help with balance. Performing squats regularly can make everyday activities, like lifting groceries or sitting down and standing up, much easier. Focus on proper form. Keep your chest up, push your hips back as if you're sitting in a chair, and ensure your knees don't go past your toes. You can start with bodyweight squats and add resistance later if you wish. For our third exercise, let's focus on upper body and core strength with push-ups. Push-ups are a classic bodyweight exercise that effectively works your chest, shoulders, triceps, and core. They are excellent for building functional upper body strength, which is important for so many daily tasks. If a full push-up on your toes is too challenging initially, you can modify it by doing them on your knees, against a wall, or even with your hands on an elevated surface. Like a bench, the key is to maintain a straight line from head to heels and engage your core. Gradually work your way up to more challenging variations. Push-ups are a testament to how effective simple bodyweight movements can be. Coming in at number 2, we have an exercise that's amazing for both cardio and agility: jumping jacks. Remember these from school? Well, doctors still recommend them. Jumping jacks are a full-body plyometric exercise that gets your heart rate up quickly, improving cardiovascular health and stamina. They also help with coordination and can be a great warm-up or a quick burst of activity when you're short on time. They engage your arms, legs, and core, providing a dynamic workout. If jumping is too much for your joints, you can modify them by stepping one leg out at a time, still getting the benefit of the arm movements and increased heart rate. Simple, effective, and gets you moving. And finally, for our last doctor-recommended exercise, we're going to talk about something crucial for overall mobility and preventing injury: stretching. Often overlooked, dedicated stretching, beyond what you might do during a warm-up or cool-down, is incredibly important. Doctors recommend it to improve flexibility, increase your range of motion, reduce muscle stiffness, and prevent aches and pains. Focusing on major muscle groups, especially after exercise or at the end of the day, can make a huge difference in how your body feels and functions. Hold each stretch for 20 to 30 seconds, breathing deeply, and never force a stretch to the point of pain. Think of it as giving your muscles a nice, long hug. So there you have it, 10 incredible fitness exercises, highly recommended by doctors, that can truly transform your health and well-being. From the simplicity of brisk walking to the full-body benefits of swimming and the foundational strength of squats and planks, these exercises cover all the bases for a healthy, active life. The best part? Most of them require minimal to no equipment and can be done almost anywhere. Remember, consistency is key, and it's always a good idea to consult with your doctor before starting any new fitness routine, especially if you have underlying health conditions. Which of these exercises are you excited to try or incorporate more into your routine? Let me know in the comments below. I love hearing from you all. If you found this video helpful and informative, please show your support by giving it a big thumbs up, subscribing to the channel for more valuable health and fitness content, and hitting that notification bell so you're always in the loop. Thank you so much for watching, and here's to a healthier, happier you. We'll see you in the next video.